AI agents have gotten really good where they can generate whole applications in minutes. But when you have multiple AI agents working at the same time, they're often working their own work trees. So they're working in their own branches, and when you try to consolidate all of it, you usually run into very nasty merge conflicts, which can take hours to solve, but the actual code that's generated only takes minutes to generate. You can go in your cursor, let's switch to new branch, because when you're working in work trees, you're going to switch working different branches. So now you're going to give it some prompt, and then work with it. Okay, basically what it's doing is split the can checkout function into like two different functions, and then I got it. Cool. So it has pushed back to our branch. Now we can do the checkout main. So now our branch is back to the original one that we had, and then we can do another checkout. Let's just do some feature. So good job for tutor. And then we'll go back in cursor. So do another one. So we put the context. And as you can see, the can checkout is back to one function. So it's revert back to the original. And now if you go here, you will have a GPT-5. There are more things for your product. So basically changes. So yeah, now we turn it in. So now, when you go to GitHub repository, you can come look and see, oh, you have the main branch, you have the feature branch, and you have the refactor branch, right? So now what we can do is, let's say we merge the refactor branch into the main branch. So this is pretty simple, very simple change as you saw, and it takes merge like pull request, confirm merge, great. Now this feature has been implemented into our main branch. But let's say now you go back into your code, you have the refactor branch, right? So now you open another pull request, and you can see this can't automatically merge. And you might be looking at this and be like, wow, this is like extremely simple. You can just look at the diff right here, and you can figure out what the issue is by just solving it. This is a very easy change to do. And while I agree with you, pretty hard to debug as the programs get bigger. So what I do is I see more agents resolve. So when I put this comment down, what this will do is that it will hit my backend. You can see this message over here. So it's now attempting to resolve this conflict with the codex. So what it's doing is giving this a bunch of context. So it's an architecture I drew. The webhook initiated it. You mentioned the command, yes. And there's a structure, and there's a PR, there's a checklist, it attempts to merge. If there's a conflict, then it goes back to codex, which it is. So then it verifies again. And if it fails, then codex loops again and again. And if it passes, it merges the PR. So yeah, let's just see how long it takes. It's verified, and it's publishing and fixes to GitHub. And you can see this has got pull requests that has been merged and closed. Now if you delete the branch, you'll be able to go into the main code, and you'll be able to see that checkout errors and can checkout are two different functions still, and the email is verification is still here. So not only did my product was able to consolidate like two branches into one, but also implemented both the features.